Welcome to my channel. 2025 Cars. Tesla's upcoming compact electric vehicle, codenamed Redwood, is set to redefine the mass market EV landscape. Scheduled to begin production in mid-2025, this model aims to offer Tesla's advanced technology at a more accessible price point. Key features of the Tesla Redwood: compact design, approximately 15% smaller and 30% lighter than the Model 3, making it ideal for urban environments. Affordable pricing, targeted starting price around $25,000, broadening Tesla's appeal to a wider audience. Efficient performance, equipped with LFP lithium iron phosphate batteries, offering an estimated range of up to 310 miles 500 kilometers. Advanced manufacturing, utilizes Tesla's next-generation vehicle platform, focusing on cost reduction and manufacturing efficiency. For a visual overview, here's a video detailing the 2025 Tesla Model 2 Redwood.